have a 2-year-old son, and we came to the school here and met with Monica Casenza, who's the education director, and we fell in love with her. Her mission, her passion, the curriculum was really another reason why we chose Calvary. They start with the Abeka Foundation, which gives a good Christian foundation. There's hands-on learning, planting classes, music. They even implement some Spanish into classes, and then you get traditional phonics. Our son has just grown leaps and bounds, loves coming to school every day, holds his head high, and we couldn't be happier for him. I think the key elements that make Calvary different from other preschools is that first they start with 2-year-olds, pre-K2, offering the range of curriculum that Calvary has. So each kid is welcomed with a hug and a hello or a high five. The energy and the spirit here is just great for the parents and the kids.